Welcome to Techiecast Jacks, where the top technology and business experts around discuss the latest trends in high tech. This podcast is hosted by Joe Holbrook, who's an experienced technologist pundit in Jacksonville, Florida.
Hello, fellow techies. This video has been sponsored by the Linux Foundation. If you really want to be challenged and you want to get certified and prove your worth in Kubernetes, then the Certified Kubernetes Administrator exam is for you. What is really nice is that this is an online proctored exam, and also you get to take the exam twice if you don't pass it the first time. It's a totally command line based exam. This will prove to your prospective employers or current employer or customers, whatever your situation is, that you know Kubernetes. This is the exam to take. Please click the link below and help support the channel. With that said, go ahead and click the link and get the best deal available for the Certified Kubernetes Administrator exam.
Welcome aboard, everybody. Joe Holbrook here, the Chief Learning Officer of Techcommanders. I wanted to just announce the launch of the new platform, Techcommanders.com. Now, I wanted to just point out it is a membership-based site now. I have a free and a paid version of the site. For those that would just like to get into some basic courses, that is available for free. Just sign up and you're good to go. And then for those that want more advanced study material, more advanced knowledge, or just easier tools to use, there is a paid membership as well. Also, too, on the paid membership site will be practice questions as well as free ebooks, etc. And also, one big feature that I'm offering is going to be, as part of the paid membership, will be select courses that are live. And these live courses will have basically 2 to 4 hours of included training in your membership. Some of the courses that are being launched basically this month will be the Google Cloud Architect, the Cloud Engineer, and then also several others around AWS. And also CompTIA as well. And that's included in your paid membership. Again, the goal is to keep you there and to keep you interested and also provide some additional value. With that said, if you're interested in either, please go to techcommanders.com to learn more. Over and out.